Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. A few days ago, we had a craving for something different from our regular food options, something unique in taste. So, to satisfy our craving, we tried out Lost Recipes, a Banarasi style Indian restaurant serving some of the most delicious dishes. This restaurant is located in Wakad, Pune, and you can see the exact location on the screen. You will find a variety of options to try from the menu, suitable for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. First, we tried the Litti Chokha. Although the quantity was less compared to the price, the taste was wholesome. This is one of the best items that is served by this restaurant. Next, we tried the fried fara, which is one of the best things we tried. The quantity was enough for two and the taste was highly addictive. If you visit this place, you must try this. Then we ordered the puri kachori and aloo tomato curry. This was again an excellent choice and the quantity was enough for one. The crispy puri kachori and the spicy curry were impressive. These three items were recommended by the restaurant staff itself as well as the other customers. So there's a must try. Apart from these, we tried a few main course items like kadai paneer, roti and lacha paratha. These were okayish. We also tried the paneer korma which we didn't like, so we would not recommend that. Now for the conclusion. Overall, our experience was amazing and we surely visit the place again. But one thing to note is that the service was a bit slow. We had to wait around 5 to 10 minutes for each dish to arrive. We would still recommend this place if you want to try different, tasty and somewhat healthy food. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more such videos.